There's a song that's inside of my soul.
They took your mother, for God's sake!
It's the one that I've tried to write over and over
They've killed hundreds
again.
of us! And we killed thousands of them!
I am awake in the infinite cold,
You're not my son.
but you sing to me over and over and over again. So I lay my head back down and I lift my